that was from New York to LA? Gosh, man.
I have a question to all the little boys and girls. Have you been working hard preparing for your CSTs? Well, then I am glad to disappoint you, for I shall take them from your arachnid man.
Do you want to take it from me? Are you going to help let me take it from me? Who should I call? Does anybody know who I should call? Does anybody know? I want to hear some noise. Who should I call? First grade, second grade, third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade, help me out. Who should I call? Batman? But he still ain't got them. Superman? I don't like that guy. Where's Batman?
Batman!
Iron Man? No, he's too busy taking care of his business.
The CSTs shall be mine.
Okay, guys. I guess I'm gonna have to do this alone. I don't know anybody that's gonna come at this time. I need you guys to take the CST. I don't need them taken away from me.
That's right, arachnid man. I shall smite you by the heel of my boot.
Wait, what's that? I think I see something. Oh, thank God he's here. Woo! Oh my goodness. Finally came, huh?
I see you came to try to stop me.
I will beat
I'd like to see you try to get the CST from her. Like I said before, you will not get this CST.
For saving our CSTs. Let's give them a big round of applause. They saved our CSTs. Now they're safe. Now tomorrow we're able to take our test. Let's give them a cheer. Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! And let's tell Spider-Man and Batman, what is our score? 800! Let's cheer it. Ready? 800! I want you to have a great day. And teachers have fun calming everybody down as they eat breakfast. And tomorrow, boys and girls, what do we start? The CSTs. So remember, boys and girls, tonight, go home, have a really good night's sleep, and do your best on that test. And on that happy note, teachers, thank you for being with us here this morning. Gracias, padres, por acompañarnos. Thank you, parents. And teachers, when you're ready, you can walk them carefully back up to your classroom.